Miley, who's a 4-month-old kitten at Noah's Kingdom.
Okay.
And she has a trick that she does. Miley's gonna do her trick. Check this out. She's 4 months old and she's climbing. I know where she's going, but she's going somewhere fast. Look at this, Miley, you are crazy, girl. Miley's a girl, right?
Yes. 4 months.
4-month-old little girl. Look at you. Look at you. What are you doing? What trouble are you getting into? There's Miley and Mittens. Mittens is the little calico.
Here.
Okay. You can't go doing any more climbing, okay?
I've got it. The other one is in Lila's cage, and Lila wanted to go back, but she can't. So.
All right. Well, thank you for watching. This is Miley.